Okay guys, so I just arrived to the property over here. This is gonna be a follow-up. The branch is already in the ground, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Dewalt chainsaw, cordless, basically battery power. It is what it is. Whoops. See, so basically 20B, battery is full. We're gonna see how this piece of equipment works. And my plans right here, I'm about to do this branch right here. I'm not gonna take it with me because my as you can see, my trailer is full of stuff. So we're just gonna chop it down, leave it, come back another day. There's so much stuff to do, so I'm gonna see what it is. So we're gonna be using a Dewalt. It's probably about a week, 2 weeks old. I've done a job already. I cut probably like maybe about 45 minutes. And it still has some oil. Let's see what happens. So it is a pretty good side branch, as you can see. We're gonna see if this can handle it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one, all of the tiny little branches, and then I can cut some of the big ones. This is resting over here, so I don't want to do anything, but I'm not gonna do those right there. Okay guys, so far it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check the battery. This is still on 3. It hasn't used that much. So oil is still a little bit over half. I just need to cut that one right there, and then we can move and see if I can cut all of this. I think it's gonna be possible. So I think it's a great one. It's a great tiny little saw. I already have another job that I am going to do with this, since it lasts about an hour. I think it's gonna be one of my one of my favorite ones. The Dewalt, very light, maybe about 12, pretty much like a weed eater. So let's keep doing that. Oh, we're gonna do this right here. So what do you think, guys? That's amazing. This is unbelievable. It cuts really good. This is about 8 inch. I'm super excited, guys. I just need to make a few more cuts and I'm done. Let's see how much battery we have. Okay guys, so kind of sad but kind of happy, because basically I'm missing only 2 cuts over there, basically that branch. Everything else is absolutely done. The tiny little chainsaw was able to handle everything, so it takes me about maybe about 30 minutes. So what does that mean? I am going to be able to cut a little tree with this chainsaw. So that's one of the reasons I am excited. Battery seems to be great. There's nothing that I have to worry about it. Chainsaw, it's not heavy, and also the chain, it came off only once, and that was my fault because I was not cutting right, but everything else was fine. Oil, use a lot of oil, that's good. It lubricates a lot. So battery is completely dry. I just gonna go ahead and take it with me, recharge it again, come back in another day when I am ready to load everything, put it on the trailer, go to the dumpster, and the job is gonna be done and the money is gonna be on my pocket. So thank you so much guys for staying tuned, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy life.